Guys, welcome back to another edition of How to Cut Hair. Today I'll be showing you step by step the method I personally use to create a clean mid-fade. Before I begin any haircut, I always make sure to comb my client's hair as much as possible. Now that I have got the clipper in hand, I'm starting the guideline a bit higher than usual. Guys, this is a great starting point for any beginner barber. Since it's a mid-fade, all you need to do is memorize the height for the bald line. Start from the lower part. Then move the clipper against the grain to your desired height. What this does is remove everything in one take, creating a nice clean panel. Next, with the lever all the way open, I'm setting in my second guideline. Remember, this line sits just above the skin board line we created earlier. Here, I move the lever halfway, about 2 notches. Keep in mind, I'm not going all the way up to the top line. Now, with the lever fully closed, I start just below the line and flick upward into it. This is a quick motion technique. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Very professional. With a one guard and the lever fully open, I'm creating my third guideline about 1 inch or more above. Guys, barbing is all about patience, so take your time and trust the process. Now, using a 1/16 guard and the lever halfway closed, I start below the line and I flick up into it. Here is the thing, I'm not fading randomly. I'm making sure the fade stays within the perimeter of the fade line for consistency. Then with the lever fully closed, I start below the line again and flick up into it. Since it's closed, you can add a little pressure when flicking to soften that line. Guys, maintain the motion of your strokes as you fade. This helps the blend come out clean. If the 1/16 guard doesn't clean the fade properly, you can go in with no guard and play with the lever for a thorough cleanup. Now with the 3/16 guard, this is the highest guard I will be using in this haircut. As you can see, it's cutting less hair at the top because my client's hair isn't that long. Switching to the side, I'm cleaning up the bulk around the parental ridge area, going with the grain. Finally, I go in with the one guard, lever fully closed to level everything together and make it even. Now, I'm going back in with the one guard to achieve that flawless look my client wants. Here is the secret. Drag the blade across the bulk area and make sure the mouth of the clipper is tilted upward, not digging in. Then halfway open, start below the fade and flick up into the bulk. Fully closed, start below the blend and flick up again. By this point, everything should look flawless. You can also go back in with a 1/16 guard for final detailing. With the electric shaver, you are taking the haircut to the next level, making everything pop.